Right then, gentlemen, just had this delivery from Thomson and Morgan. It is of, I've seen that, 24 begonia illumination molten lava mix, 24 plugs. Let's have a look, shall we? See what it's like inside. Excuse me. There we go. Well, need a little bit of water, aren't they? A little bit dry, aren't they? Those. Not a little bit dry, really dry. Right, first thing, get some water on these before I do anything else. Right, here we go. Give them a really good water before I pot them on. They're all healthy enough, there's no damage done. I should just, as you can see, soaking up that nicely. Oh yeah. What shall I do now is get them all potted on. Nice healthy plants. I'll be looking forward to seeing how well they grow these once I put it on. So let's get cracking. I've got a peat-based compost here I got from Wicks. It's a really good quality compost. As you can see, all you do with these is, as you can see, you can stick a pen in underneath to get them out, but they just pull out so easily. All I need to do is like so. Make sure they're not too deep. Level with the compost around it, like so. Yeah, these were supposed to, I think I was supposed to have these several weeks ago, but there's been a delay with what's been happening. But now I've got them. And once you've grown these on for a year, as long as you want to save them, they will produce a nice tuber. You can dry them out and save them over the winter. Then you've got plants forever, basically. You can take cuttings off them. So you're really sorted. Yeah, I'll give these a feed once they've all been potted on. So you can see, yeah, in the small ones I've got a nice little root system. So yeah, give these a good feed and these shall start growing really well. I should put them not in full sun, partial shade. I don't want to put too much sun on them and damage them, because they've been travelling for a few days in the dark, like a blind man. Somebody who's been stuck down a mine. You don't want to blind them when they first come out. And adjust them slowly to the levels of sunshine. Yeah, dead happy with these. They were an offer. I think they only cost me £1 or something with another order. I ordered some seeds or something. So it's well worth waiting for. Yeah, if you watch my other videos, you'll see how I take cutting from begonias, how I grow tubers. I've got quite a few videos on begonias, but I really do like them. You get plenty of flowers, and as long as you look after them, keep them nicely well watered, they reward you with some beautiful hanging baskets and pots. Got a few more to do, and then we shall get them watered then. Yeah, you can't beat a bit of gardening just to relax you. Yeah, I've got that many plants that I've grown from seed this year. Running out of places to grow them now. I've got pots everywhere. My garden's full. I can't have stuff in the greenhouse because it's too hot at the moment. I'll damage them. But yeah, I've also got a competition going at the moment. I'm giving away 2 brand new t-shirts that have got pictures of some of my poppies that I've grown last year on them. And it's got my YouTube channel name on. If you go onto that video, leave a comment, I'll enter you in the free draw when it gets to 5,000 subscribers, which shouldn't be long. Anyway, that's how to pot on your plug begonia plants from Thomson and Morgan. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe, folks. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Keep yourself safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.